Hi, I'm Jeannie Ruiz. I'm Executive Director of Partners Driving STEM and part of the development team that works with 1080 Education. We're also speakers and trainers and have been working with STEM and STEAM for about 2 decades now. Some of our partners include Beverly Simmons, who is currently board chair. She's one of the 100 women leaders in STEM in the USA and a State Department STEM speaker. So we're pretty proud of our development team. And what I'd like to introduce to you today is the newest rollout, which is STEAMstart. It's adventures in engineering for very young children, ages 4 all the way up through 8, 9, 10, depending on ability levels and where you want to take them. And it offers 5 STEAM investigations in science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics that take kids through the skills that they'll need to be able to meet the unit challenge. In this case, it's Polygon Island, where they'll be designing tree houses to scale that sit on a table that also must include simple machines, including the pulley and or a little windlass sort of an elevator. So they will learn all the things that they'll need in order to meet that challenge through those STEAM investigations, which include literacy components that get you started with a story or a poem or a piece of nonfiction, and include additional activities with measurement and mathematics. Now, kids ages 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are not going to have the math skills that some of your older kids have, but they're still absolutely capable of doing STEM and the engineering design process, and we'll show you how. In later videos, we'll give you a deeper dive to take you through the list of materials and the activities that go with each of those STEAM investigations, but today's just a teaser, and we hope you'll be interested in learning more. Again, I'm Jeannie with 1080 Education, Partners Driving STEM, and this is STEAMstart.